Hello my friends, this is Hot Pot Bob here, back with another video. Today my wife is going to show you how to make her specialty dish, Mapo Tofu. She is from Sichuan, China, which is also home to this signature dish. She's going to show you step by step how to make her family recipe on this spicy, numbing, aromatic, and delicious specialty. So if you're ready to get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue posting more food videos. Smash the like button and hit the bell for notifications. Let's go! Mapo Tofu may look like a very complex dish, but it's actually really simple to make. You can probably make this dish in about 15 minutes or less. Now some of the ingredients you're going to need. We start off with half a pound of fresh, lean, ground pork. You're also going to need 7 to 8 stalks of green onions. Next, 19 ounces of the soft tofu. You can get them in a 1-pack like this here. Equates to 19 ounces. Any brand will work, just make sure it is soft tofu. Fermented bean paste. Any brand will also do. Fermented bean paste, just to let you know, has a salty, slightly sweet, and very fragrant smell to it. Chinese peppercorn. Just to let you know, Chinese peppercorn is a spice produced from the husks of seeds of the prickly ash tree. It's actually not a pepper at all. It's known for its unique umami flavor and aroma, creating a special mouth-numbing sensation. You may be thinking, huh? Numbs my mouth? What the heck does that mean? Well, you're gonna have to try it out to know what that means. Also, pure sesame oil, Sichuan peppercorn flavored oil. You're also going to need some salt and black pepper, cornstarch, light low sodium soy sauce, and vegetable oil. You can find these ingredients at any Asian grocery store. Let's start with the seasoning of the ground pork. This is very simple. All you need to do is add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Next, she's going to chop up the green onions. Just to let you know, all of the ingredients and measurements will be posted in the description below. As I've said in the past videos, make sure to curl up your non-cutting fingers like she's doing here to prevent from cutting yourself. Safety first. And now for the tofu. Carefully cut open the cover, drain all the liquid inside, and cut them into small cubes. Now, soft tofu is extremely delicate, so make sure to be gentle when handling the tofu. She's going to cut them vertically into 4 equal parts, rotates them, cuts them into 6 equal parts. After she does that, she's going to then slice them horizontally into 3 equal parts. After she's done cutting the tofu, she's going to gently move the tofu to the side of the cutting board. Now, slowly drop in the tofu and gently toss for a couple more minutes. You see how this is all coming into form now? Now, after you toss it for a little bit, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 cup of hot water. Now, while you're waiting for it to come to a boil, you can prepare the cornstarch mixture. Simply, all you need to do is get a bowl and mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water and mix well. Once the dish comes to a boil, add 1 teaspoon of the pure sesame oil, and also you're going to add 1 teaspoon of the Sichuan peppercorn flavored oil. Stir gently. Now, slowly add the cornstarch mixture while gently stirring. Notice how it thickens up nicely? Looks beautiful. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video on how to make Mapo Tofu. If you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue posting more food videos. Smash the like button and hit the bell for notifications. See you all very soon. Bye!